Welcome to English Reading for Learning.
A Mother's Day Surprise. Good morning, said Miss French. Today we will start working on our Mother's Day presents.
Isn't Mother's Day still kind of far away?
Asked Indy. Yes, said Miss French. But our presents are going to take some time to grow. She handed everybody a small plastic zipper bag, a wet paper towel, and a couple of small dry beans. The kindergartners put their beans on top of the wet paper towel, put the towel inside the bag, and zipped it shut. Then they wrote their names on their bags. Our beans need the sun's warmth in order to sprout, said Miss French as she taped the bags to the windows. Over the next few days, the kids could see roots growing out of the beans. The next week, Miss French gave each child a small pot and stickers so they could decorate their pots. When the beans had strong roots and small sprouts, they were ready to plant in the special pots. When the children finished planting their seedlings, they put the pots in front of the windows. On the Friday before Mother's Day, the twins took their plants home and hid them in their bedroom. On Mother's Day, Tex and Indi gave them to their mom.
We grew these sprouts just for you,
said Tex. 2 perfect sprouts from my 2 perfect twin sprouts, said Mom. I love them, and I love you too.
Thanks for watching and listening. Please click like and subscribe for new and latest uploads.